Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the portfolio. Again, I want to start off the video by saying thank you to all the supporters on the channel, all the viewers, all the subscribers. Definitely appreciate all of the support. Video content ideas, please keep those coming. The goal is to continue to improve the content on the channel and focus on videos that you guys want seen posted. I try to get out as many videos as I can. I hope to get up to 2 videos per day, but it's been a little bit difficult with my day job. But we'll kind of see how things move forward. But again, I definitely want to thank you guys for all of those great video suggestions. Please keep those coming. For today's video, I want to do another update on Robinhood's 3% checking and savings. There were quite a few negative reviews of this, especially given that there may be some lack in insurance coverage on the new account. As you guys know, the banking industry comes with considerable regulations. Robinhood is a startup, has stock trading, options trading, cryptocurrency, but I think it took a little bit too much for granted when it tried to jump into the banking industry. Like I said, it's a very highly regulated industry, and some of the protections, FDIC for bank accounts, as well as the SIPC, Securities Investor Protection Corporation, for brokerage accounts, probably would not apply for their new product. So because of that, Robinhood is now changing its product. It's not quite clear what that product will be, but so far I've had very good success on Robinhood. I trust the platform. It's opened up a lot of investing avenues for folks that may not be able to get onto a traditional brokerage account, and I have full confidence that Robinhood will put out a very good product moving forward. But it definitely is changing, and I want to show you guys how the changes will kind of look on the platform here. So if you take a look at the front page here on the bottom, you can see there are 4 tabs. The credit card tab, if you click on that, this is the old format. You can see checking and savings. You can see the queue there with the credit card, debit card in the middle. But that has changed now. If you go through and do an update, which I'll do now, we'll kind of fast forward to the new format. So again, here is the front page after the update. And now you can see on the bottom those 4 tabs. Now instead of that credit card, debit card icon, there is a money symbol. If you click on that, you can see there is now a tab for cash management. Same queue up on top there, but now it's cash management. There is no details on this. I think it's going to take probably a few weeks, maybe a month, for Robinhood to update the details on this. I think it'll be something very similar to what it had out before, but it will have the protections from the SIPC and or the FDIC, depending on how they can work things out. Again, the banking industry is extremely difficult to get into, considerable regulations. I don't think they'll be able to put out FDIC secured banking product, savings or checking, but I think they will probably be able to do something with the SIPC as part of a brokerage account. Again, funds that are covered by the SIPC are funds that are meant to be invested. So if you have funds in an account, even if it's in a brokerage account, sitting there, but the main purpose is to collect interest on those funds and then utilize it as a checking and savings account, the SIPC definitely will not cover that. Again, Robinhood is not a bank. To go through all those regulations, I think it's just too much for this startup, so it won't be covered by the FDIC. So it's probably going to be some sort of hybrid account that is definitely meant to be investable funds, so it'll be covered by the SIPC. Those are my thoughts, however, moving forward. I'm not quite sure what this program will morph into, but again, I have full confidence in Robinhood. It's been a great brokerage account so far. Like I said, it's given access to a lot of folks who don't have considerable portfolios, new investors that may not know how to navigate traditional brokerage accounts with all of the bells and whistles on those other accounts. Robinhood is very straightforward. It has stock trading, options trading, as well as cryptocurrency. And then moving into hopefully some sort of product that will collect a very high rate of return on funds that are sitting there, but will also have the protections that investors would want, either from the FDIC, which I think is unlikely, or likely from the SIPC. But exciting things in Robinhood here. I'll continue to follow along here and update you guys on exactly what's happening. But so far, they've changed it on the application here. If you go through the next update or the latest update, you'll have now cash management instead of the checking and savings. The icon has changed. And I do believe over the next couple of weeks, maybe a month, Robinhood will put out details on their new product here. And I think it's going to be a very good product, but the details are still pending at this point. So those are my thoughts. Let me know what you guys think about the new product Robinhood has put out here. Do you think it's going to be something similar that they'll be able to maneuver to get SIPC coverage, or I think it's going to be something completely different. Again, I don't think they'll be able to get through all the regulations for a bank account. Most startups will partner with other banks. I do remember it was partnering with a bank for the debit card, but again, it's not that bank services. It's a Robinhood standalone product, so no FDIC coverage. I don't think that's coming in the future, but I definitely think they can maneuver this account to have SIPC protection of some sort. I think one of the big things too, coming from, again, the SIPC, the Securities Investor Protection Corporation, is that they were kind of caught off guard by this. No one from Robinhood contacted them, or at least that's what has been claimed so far. So there was very poor communication between Robinhood and some of these large governmental organizations, SIPC, as well as the SEC, that sort of oversees investment products, including brokerage accounts. So I think if they open those lines of communication, they can come up with a very good product. I think it'll probably have a similar rate of return, probably that same 3% annual percentage rate on funds in the account, but it'll be a little bit of the details surrounding what those funds are meant for. Again, the SIPC is for funds that are meant to be invested, to buy stocks, securities, options trading, whatever that may be. Banks, completely different realm than what a brokerage account is. Again, I don't think Robinhood will have the capabilities at this point to get through all of that regulation, a lot of paperwork, a lot of bureaucracy with regards to banking. And I think it's needed. I think it's a very highly regulated industry because of all the fraud that is potential in that particular industry. But I think Robinhood will put out a good product here. Again, let me know what you guys think about when this product may be out. I think they're probably working on this at a very furious pace, trying to get this out. Probably caught a lot of the Robinhood folks off guard as well with that announcement from the SIPC. But again, I think this is going to be very good moving forward. Full confidence in Robinhood. But let me know down in the comment section down below if you guys think this will be a great product, or what you think this will morph into. More of a traditional savings and checking that will have SIPC coverage, or something completely different that will be covered by the SIPC, but will have probably not all the checking and savings functions that you would traditionally have in a normal bank account with checking and savings. But either way, let me know. And not to make the video too long here, I'll end it here. Again, if you guys enjoy the content on the channel, if you guys enjoy the video series, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Again, shout out to all of the viewers, subscribers, giving all of those great video content ideas. Again, the whole idea is to continue to increase the content on the channel. I'm hoping to put out 2 videos per day, at least daily. Been kind of sliding on that, so I definitely want to apologize for that. And again, focus on content you guys want seen posted on the channel. So if there's any particular video idea, stock investing strategy, if you have questions about options trading, cryptocurrency, real estate, stock market investing, please let me know, and I'll do my best to get a video out. The more inquiries on any one particular topic, the more likely that I'll put out that topic. So again, please keep those suggestions coming. And kind of with that, I'll end it there, and we'll see you guys next time.